have tissue. So make this trendy. I'm not gonna make a sound brand. I'm gonna break into pieces. So I'm gonna break it into pieces now. Then I'm gonna add this green sauce.
Ang mga lumapunuan, ganyawi ni marami ko rin ko anak. Unak mabititi at ito pala ipagdagan nyo. Sa nabali na anak, ito kami. Saan kami na bumano?
Okay, just yeah. It's like this. That's what. If it's like this, yeah, you cannot see it. If it's like this, messy, that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more. Ew. Okay, that's okay now. My mama is gonna be mad. What? Just search on TikTok what is mama. And only Tagalog only Tagalog know that mama. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. OMG! Hello. My name is not Big Girl, it's Bella. I got this. I'm gonna try again with no green cross. Got it. You have to make this a trend because I'm a small creator. No, bagal. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, I just switched places because I want to switch place, and then just look at this. Okay, wait. I'm done. Wait, just wait. Wow, it looks like snow. So just try this on your home. So bye.